Hey friends, it's Cassie. Welcome back for another video here on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at the August 2023 Spellbinders card kit of the month. These are the quick and easy card kits, and this one's called the Fun Life. And I can already tell you, I'm probably gonna absolutely love the color combo in here. They come in these little pouches, which I think makes it super easy. And let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at our pieces. I'm going to pull out the card first. The card comes in there and it's going to give you all the stuff that comes in your kit. It'll give you places you can go for inspiration. And then on the back, it's going to give you step-by-step how to make a card, which is great, right? So we've got that. Let's pull out your staples, which you always get. You're always going to get a package that contains some foam squares and some tape. So you have pretty much everything you would need to make cards in these kits. That's why they're called the quick and easy card kits. So you've got that. You're also going to get, let me pull out some of those pieces. Okay, another staple, you'll get 8 A2 cards and envelopes in your kit. So you can make 8 cards right out of the gate. You're also going to get some A2 panels. Now there are 20 of them, which equates to basically 5 pieces of cardstock. They've just gone ahead and trimmed them down for you. So in this kit, you're going to get that pretty purple. I really like that purple. Some pink, some yellow, some green, and some blue. So that is a beautiful color combo we got going on. This kit also comes with these beautiful flat back sequins, and it looks like we have a couple different sizes in there. Yes, look at how pretty those are. They're pink, but they have like an iridescence to them. So that's beautiful, and I think that combo, once again, goes really well together. You're also going to get some 6x6 paper. Now these are great for layering because they are a lighter weight paper. There's only one side to them, so you don't have to decide which ones. Oh, yeah, love that. So let's go through them real quick. These are super pretty already, I can tell you. I love it. It's kind of whimsical. It's fun. And some of them are going to have some like foiling on them, which is great too. Like this ring. Oh, man, that's pretty with those butterflies. That's really pretty. Ooh, I like that. This is a really great color combo. Love it. Oh, those bikes are cool. Yeah. So I really like this. I think this is going to make some fun cards. Okay. Next up, let's go on. Let's pull out what else we have. Okay, next up, we're going to pull out these. These are our chipboard stickers, chipboard embellishments. They are stickers. Oh, and it's a really, again, goes so well with that color combo. You got Happy Day, Our Sweet Life, Good Vibes, Fun in the Sun, Amazing, Sunny and Bright. You also have some cute little elements there. Adventure, Relax, Life is Good, Enjoy the Ride, Sunshine, Fun, Explore, See, Do, Yes, 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 It's Your Day, You Make My Heart Sing. So what I've noticed, obviously, since I've been getting these kits, which has been a while now, is that while these kits are great for cards, whatever elements you don't use for card making, you could use for scrapbooking or, say, even making like some home decor or something like that. So I do love that that is the case. We also have some puffy sentiments. So we've got So Happy, Oh Yeah, This is Good, So Happy Together. That's cute. You are amazing, boy. Yay for today, girl. Just be you. Let's go. Stay cool. Sun and fun. Strong and brave. And then you have lots of like stars and hearts and cute little lines. Really sweet. And then you also have some puffy stickers. And these ones are sentiments as well. So let the good times roll. Smile. Chase your dreams. Sun and fun, good vibes, born to be awesome, this life, you make me smile, believe in yourself, yay, 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 it's your day, oh happy day, I love you for being you, You're an original, one of a kind, and so cool. And then we have some really neat arrows and some more stars in there. So love the puffy stickers, not mad at that. And then the last thing that we have that comes in these kits is a bunch of ephemera. I don't even know how many. So we're going to go ahead and pull them out. I'm not going to look at all of them, but you usually get about 2 per. And so you can just have a lot of fun. I love these because not only can you decorate the outside of your card, but you have so many left over that you can decorate the insides of your cards. Again, it would be fun to do some scrapbooking with these. Oh golly, there's some really big fun ones. Some of them look like they're watercolory, and I do like that there are different types, like, you know, you've got the sketchy look in there. There is some gold foiling on some of these. There's lots of flowers. This is just a fun mix. And then you also have little elements. You've got medium-sized elements, bigger elements. This is just a very fun mix of stuff. Butterflies and flowers, always with the flowers. Very cute. Oh, look at this little cat has me smiling. Probably have to do something with him. So cute. All right, so stick around, stay tuned to the end of this video. I'm going to show you the cards that I made with this kit, and then we'll talk about it. And I'll have a link down below to my blog so that you can head over there and get a closer look at those cards if you'd like to. All right, so I had a chance to play with this kit, and I really love how so many of these cards turned out. This first one's fairly simple, just use one piece of ephemera along with some puffy stickers. This one, I did my cardstock a little bit off center, and then I popped up those ephemera with some foam squares and used more of that puffy sticker. This one I decided to pop up those flowers on some foam squares, and then I used one of the chipboard stickers for the You Make My Heart Sing. This one I did as a horizontal card, and we used some of those puffy stickers along with some more ephemera and lots of hearts. And then our final card today, I told you I had to use that little kitten, so I used him with some puffy stickers along with our You Are Amazing. So if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Definitely consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And as always, I'll see you very soon in another video. Bye everybody.